Hello, Faz Gang. Uh-oh. Where's my little guy? Forgot to open the little guy program.
Fazathy gang worth.
There we go. Little guy is here. Let me send out my announcement. Announcement is sent. By the way, I did tweak some mic settings in OBS, so like it won't make any difference to you, but hopefully my stream sounds slightly better.
Oh, that's why your mic sounds so much worse.
No, it doesn't. Does it actually sound bad? I should check your streams and see how it sounds through there, because I don't know how
yeah, it sounds fine.
I don't know.
I mean, I don't know.
I see like this thing off, and it could be better, but
yeah, I've got to set up my.
Yeah.
I've got to change my fucking encoder settings because I realized last night whenever I was recording a deadlock thing, just because I wanted to be evil and find out something. I guess.
Yeah. I also really want to figure out if there's better ways to record like gameplay stuff at some point, like before we do another trailer, because I do want to. When we have another trailer, I want it to be nicer and better recorded. But I just don't know, because I mean, like, there's gotta be a way, like, I don't, it's not like I have a bad computer. It shouldn't be that hard.
Yeah, it's definitely some OBS settings and some, like, very specific, like, there's some shit that just needs to happen on the OBS settings and shit. Which I need to actually double figure out, because, since I swapped to Linux, I haven't 100% double checked on my stream quality.
But just use the Steam replay.
Yeah, there's actually... Oh, no, you don't have an NVIDIA graphics card. Never mind.
Yeah, no, I don't.
That's okay. I was going to say, there's actually, like, a pretty good built-in recorder for NVIDIA graphics cards.
Yeah.
That doesn't apply to you. Let me finish this granola bar, and then I'll start streaming.
Okay. I don't know what I'm doing today. I should probably figure that out. We should look at like the big list of things that we wanted to do.
You could draw icons or some sort of designs for the status effects.
Okay, I'll do that. Yeah, I think really the main thing right now is mostly content, which is just annoying.
That
and
like
little systems here and there.
If you want to have an icon for whenever something crits.
I was just gonna have the like the damage number be like yellow. I actually already set that up. It's just the crits don't work very well because I don't know how to actually set them up. Don't worry about it. It's just like a boolean on the attack class.
Okay. I'll assume that's fine. You didn't push that up, did you? I'm assuming
no, I didn't. No. I can if you want, just so you can work off what I have. Okay. I have a ton of changes. Because, I
haven't pushed shit. I have a couple of unfinished changes that have not been pushed.
Okay. I'll make icons. Oh yeah, the glass gun mostly works and has art. I forgot I made that. I don't really like this that much, but, you know, whatever. It works. It looks like a gun, and it looks kind of like glass, maybe a little bit.
Yeah.
Good meowing, Moaz.
Okay, I'm gonna go live now.
You're not even live yet. What the hell?
I am now.
Okay.
Hello.
Alright.
Hi. I'm not able to share chat. You must be live in order to start share chat. Don't you fucking let me. I am live. Okay, there we go.
What?
So, what I'm doing today.
Okay,
let me actually open up Obsidian and toss together a couple of things. Where is... Let me make a list for myself. Oh, Moaz. I'm assuming Moaz is still here. I fixed the minecart system from last night. so that works, and that's fun. I don't have the dwarves writing down the minecart system yet. I should see if they would survive, but we'll see. This last night was so fucking funny. Let's see.
Yeah,
so I've got a couple of
all
things.
Of his dwarves.
Yeah, well, that's like kind of the point of the game. Losing is fun.
That's crazy. This guy loves killing dwarves.
There's actually, anytime you're on the wiki, they will say some shit like on the minecarts, it'll be like, oh, make sure to, like, if you have a dwarf riding in a cart, make sure to limit the speed, or else you'll end up having lots of fun. And then the word fun is a hyperlink, and when you click on it, it takes you to the page just titled losing. Which is great.
That's great.
Yeah, because it's designed to be a game where, like, you're not super like, you're not trying to, like, perfect the game or, like, beat everything or whatever. It's like, you're kind of just, like, having fun with it, and I really like that. There's no real pressure to, like, do everything correctly.
I hate fun.
Yeah. So there's a couple of things that I want to do, which can mostly be broken down into two different categories. Those can be the UI, like, selection system, or like the selection/focus system, because I need to finish that. It's very close to being finished, and I just need to actually do it. And the other one is the status effect UI. I guess also with the status effect, there's a slight tweak that I want to do, which is move more, like, I guess, property/component stuff into resource. So the things that don't work with the selection/focus system is currently the Forge UI doesn't focus cards on keyboard input. The Forge UI is also very manual, which is a problem. I would like to have some more. What is the word I'm looking for? How do I want to describe this? It's like instead of having to say, like, focus this menu, I want to have, like, automated focus.
I had a funny moment the other night when I was testing the game. I added a bunch of random cards to the deck, where, like, adds the stickers and stuff, and then I went to the Forge, and I was like, uh-oh, there's a bug. Why can't I click on these cards? And then I remembered, because they're full on stickers. So, but it took me a while to figure that out. So I think something to, like a little shake and, like, a noise when you try to click on them. Yeah, with maybe a little. We could even, like a little dim them a little bit as well. Yeah, and if you hover over it, it's just like no sticker. Yeah. Or too many stickers, or max stickers reach or some shit. Yeah. Oh, I guess also with UI, I wanted to potentially. This is kind of a stretch, like, idea, and something that I just want to have written down, because I don't think I've written this down anywhere. Card upgrade/sticker screen can show properties on the side. Because since we have the property system where everything is kind of set up. Sorry, what was that window? Oh, I see. It's not like a bad window to have it all open, which is just JW stream. Oh wait, did you want, like, the bar, right? For the player? What about it? We wanted to have a bar. I was thinking, like, an icon. I don't know. Enemies. I was kind of working with icon as being the one I wanted to try first. But either or, because we can kind of just. I mean, yeah, we can change it. The one for the enemies is also going to be useful. Yeah. Oh, actually, another thing that I wanted to maybe look at is... I'm already forgetting what all the status effects are. Hold on. Like, label outline stuff? Because I did some shit, and it pisses me off how well this worked. I don't know if this is going to work in the actual game. We're going to find out together right now in real time. Oh, we are? Really? Yeah.
Well, it's the thing you already know about it mostly. Oh shit! What the hell? I'm in the train station. This is sick.
Oh, that's like the hella outdated train station.
It is, yeah. I just pulled what was on Git.
I thought I had pushed up the newer train station, but I guess I didn't.
No, it didn't crash. However, it's definitely not working. You can see that the
Oh, very nice.
there's like this weird background to it. I don't actually know why there's a weird background to it because there shouldn't be. I was playing around with doing an outline on the text, like a pixel perfect outline, and I got it to work on the rendered. What the hell is that? That's cool. The rendered cards, if I run this scene, it should just like flick through all the cards and render them out to a texture. So these actually have the rendered cards here. So if we go lol, you can see that I've got CD to Dwarf Fortress save. Lol.
Yes.
These have a pixel perfect outline on the text.
Yeah.
Did I tell you how I was doing that?
Yeah.
Do you remember how I was doing it?
You're moving all of the text around.
Yeah, I'm just making copies of the text and I'm moving it in each direction we want an outline. Which is like
So
gross,
evil.
but it actually looks really good.
Yeah.
Like, it's clean. And it's
Does work,
pixel
yeah.
aligned. So yeah, I just wanted to see, because one thing that I could do is we could just use that, but like render it out to like a sort of like instead of having like 9 different labels that are all rendering each frame, just like kind of render it out to a single frame and then just like display the fully rendered outline text. We'll see.
Yeah, if you want to try something like that, maybe. But
yeah.
I don't think that's
It's not a huge deal.
most important thing to do right now, yeah.
It's not. It's not. However, I do need to figure out why the fuck the cards are breaking. Because currently they are. And I think it's because in here is this where I'm doing the label stuff? It's not. How am I doing this label? It's under the name. You have a script attached to you. You are doing some shit. Yeah. I'm kind of just surprised that it's not, I'm actually not sure why it's breaking. Let's find out. Let's run this and see, take a look at the tree, see what's going on. Or I guess the smart thing to do would be, just return this for now and make sure that this is back to regular, because it could be something else that's just rendering wrong. Okay, so it's not. So it is definitely whatever bullshit I'm doing here. Oh, I also need to add, I need to add a utility or like a remove card method to the deck.
Yes, that's true.
Because you had mentioned that.
Yes, I need that.
He needs it.
Right
This is true.
now. Right meow.
Right meow. Okay, so why is this so fucked up and evil? Is it because it's part of a sub viewport? It might be, actually. Although I don't know. Let's find out. So this would be under what? Where are we? We are under the UI. No, menus, inventory, margin container, tab container, deck. Yeah, here we go. I think. Yes. Also, Moaz, if you're still here over in my stream, can you tell me how like the audio is? Is it good,
It's
bad,
worse
terrible,
than mine.
horrible? Yeah, no, for sure.
Very clearly.
Yeah. Why is there a timer attached to this? Weird. So let's hide all of these if I can. I can't. Oh, I see. That's weird. It says sword instead of AK-47. Bizarre.
Oh, it's probably just because the text isn't getting set, maybe?
Yeah, it's definitely that. I just don't know why it isn't, because it's being set elsewhere. Which is really weird. I guess what I could do is... I know what I can... Does this thing not have like a text change signal on it? Finished. Does this update every single time? I think this gets called multiple times. Let's find out. Okay, yeah. So that does get called multiple times. That's fine. That's gross, but whatever. Okay. Pink. Okay, yeah, that works. That's fine. Look at that. We have an outline. Hooray.
Very cool.
Yeah. Sick. Ignore those that are down there because they shouldn't be like that. Oh, my Godot just crashed. I wonder why.
Very cool.
That's actually really weird. I don't know why it did that. It didn't even give me like an error message. It just closed the damn project.
Does that sometimes, yeah.
Okay, I think it may have just been like maybe a mishandled thing. Yeah, because it seems to not be crashing anymore. Might have been because I was like saving and reconnecting signals and stuff over and over. Okay.
Chance.
I'll just say this is fine for now. Status effect UI, I need to display icon over enemy / player. Excuse me. Let's take care of the UI stuff real quick. Okay, so if I use my keyboard, I can hear that the things are being hovered, but I can't, they're not actually like appearing to be hovered, which is a problem. So let's do this. Just need to change the spacing on this. I think I had this turned down by 1. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Let me think about this for a minute.
He's thinking.
I'm thinking it. Yeah, okay, so I think the problem with this is... Yeah, we're specifically looking for this if we are currently in mouse mode. Yeah. Which is a problem, kinda. I wonder if I could just do like a this. I doubt it. Okay, it almost does something nice, which is almost cool. That's because of this. These shouldn't... Oh god. Haha. That's fun. It's really fun seeing certain things just break that make sense. So for this, what I want to do is hovered. Where are you setting this? Like rotational. Oh shit, wait, that actually like worked better than I expected, but I do need to fix that issue because that's a problem. It's hovered. It's hovered. Who the fuck are you and where are you getting this from? Oh, I see. I gotcha. Where's that being set though is the problem. Scale up. That's like not correct in the slightest. Oh, I guess I see what's happening actually. Because I think I'm using the word hovered for both controller and mouse input. Like if I... Let's get the controller out. Well, no, that seems right. And then if the mouse takes over... That seems to work mostly correctly.
Correctly.
Mostly correctly. Why is this the tooltip is being cleared, and I don't know from whence. UI manager cleared tooltip. I'd imagine it's being called from here. I see.
Okay, here's a few icons. How do these look so far?
Hold on.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't worry about the text. Don't worry about the text. It's just all text.
Yeah, it's just text, you know.
Yeah, it's just text. You don't need to be that scared.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
I understand you're scared because that's like reading and like, ugh, sorry, I said the R word around you. The reading word. Almost as bad as the J word.
Don't say it. Please don't say that on stream.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No, those are cool icons. I'm assuming, and if none of these are correct, then like that's probably a problem. But it's fire, poison, bleeding, stunned, and frozen.
Yeah.
Or I would probably maybe assume slowed, but I guess frozen is
yeah, it'll probably be like Gungeon where it's like if you get enough froze, then you froze. If you get enough like slow from freezing, you freeze.
Mm-hmm.
So it like kind of builds up.
Yeah. Sounds good. Looks good to me.
Okay.
Probably works.
Mm-hmm. I think there's some other ones you wanted though too. You wanted some kind of it's done like then a debuff or mark and then buff for enemies.
Sorry, what?
We want to debuff.
Oh, the
and
mark
buff,
debuff. Yeah.
Which I think, I like how Genshin does it, where it's just like the little arrow that's either pointing up or down.
Those are cool icons. They are cool icons.
Thank you, Benny
he does art well. It's
yeah, I don't do programming well, though. In case you were wondering.
It's like kind of true.
It's very true, actually.
Oh shit, I can feel this controller starting to wear out a little bit. Ever so slightly. My left joystick has less resistance than my right joystick by like the smallest amount.
What?
That's so fine though. Because maybe I asked this the other night. I don't remember if I did or if it was part of my dream where Moaz blew up the pyramids, but do you remember the period of time where like I just kept going through controller after controller and complaining about how shit they were?
Vaguely, yeah, that sounds like something you did.
Well, like there was the one that I used at Hitfall when Galvin came out, and it was like the most unreliable controller in the world.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It was like the white one that I had to borrow a controller off of you.
Yeah, that was really funny.
Yeah. Immediately after that, I got this Power 8 controller, and the other one that I had didn't work that well. This is the one that I playtested Dante's 9 on at GodotCon, like the same model. But after I got back from GodotCon, the joystick was like all fucky-wucky. So I kind of avoided buying one, but I bought it again, and I've been using it for like since Hitfall 4, which was back in September or October. Let me see, Hitfall 4, October. So I've been using it since October. It's been about 6 months. This controller is actually like really good. I really, really like the controller. And it's lasted way longer than the other one did. So maybe the other one that I got was just faulty, or I just ended up like doing something bad with it, like in luggage or whatever. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
He has no idea what I'm talking about.
No idea what you're talking about.
That's okay. Also for this, I would say attacks. I would like to add the critical hits.
Yes, please,
I'm assuming.
Please.
So what do we want crit hits to be? Do we want it to be like
I was thinking like
a chance to deal double damage, or?
Yeah, I think that's standard.
Okay. Do we want things to have a crit chance by default, or?
Yes, but it'd be like very low, I think, and then some things might have like higher by default. Or yeah.
Okay, and then we only want to crit to enemies, I'm assuming. Yes.
Yes, I started making it.
Like,
yeah, because I was testing. So what I did basically is I put the crit on every attack, and then I just gave it like a random chance to crit, like 50%, just to like test it. And I was like, why is the player taking random damage?
Interesting. Okay. I see. Yeah.
But I was thinking that it would be like a value like on the card.
Yeah.
So you could just be like
Kinda.
card dot crit chance, whatever. You do whatever. Like mechanically, I don't even really care that much how it works. We should just have crits of some kind, because that allows for a lot more stickers and stuff too. Because we could have like obviously increased crit chance, but we could also have like
crit whenever
on
something's
crit.
below a certain amount. Or
Or like you get like guaranteed crits for certain things, or like
or like fire.
Yeah, like set fire to things if it's or the other way around, like crits always trigger fire or something like that.
Yeah. Let's see. So the status effect UI stuff. Let's. Excuse me.
Do you think this is a decent mark icon, or should it be like? Maybe it should be more like a target.
It's either a target, or you know what you could do? You could do the TF2 mark for death. I don't know if you know what that looks like.
No clue.
It is an icon that is... Oh, really? Okay, apparently there are multiple TF2 marked for death icons. This is the one that I think of whenever I see it, which is like the red heavy skull.
Yeah, I don't think that's
apparently there's also this one, which is like the skull and crossbones.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
I think like a target would be better.
Yeah. Let's see. So
what if we did like the
what am I doing
standard
right
like red and white target?
I have effect visual. What did I want this to do again? Oh yeah, actually, let me, before I get far into that, I wanted to take a look at my fire effect thing that I was working on before, because I had some shit in here, I think. Not good shit, but shit nonetheless. Not this one. Fire property? Yeah, I had this, which is definitely not how I want this to go. I had inside of the property, there is an effect type that it tries to return, which is fine. But I also have I have an effect fire definition. And in here, I could have that define like any handler for it. So I think that would be probably how I like it more. Yeah. So let's export of our handler, which I think for now will just be the one thing. Export. This can only be a what? Oh, effect handler's the thing. Effect. Base effect. Node export is only okay.
There we go.
This is the one. Okay, there we go. Found it. Fire effect in this, and then that will handle everything that I need it to handle. Because then I can have the fire property define its effect. Oh wait, no, hold on. Sorry, I am stupid. I'm doubly stupid, I think.
So EP.
True. Okay, never mind. I am doubly stupid. That's fun. Because this returns the effect type, which is great, but I need it to also... Okay, never mind. Effect handler. I can do this, I guess, where instead of grabbing that for the effect handler stuff... I like that better than having this static array that's defined in here. I don't know why I didn't do that in the first place. I literally have a definition of these effects in here. I think for now what I'll do... What's the size of those textures?
These?
Can you also export them as like a uniform
Yeah, this largest size right now is 13 by 13. So, yeah. I'll probably just export them at like 16 by 16 just in case. Okay. Like, for some reason, there's a really big one. Which I wouldn't expect, but it's just a nice round number rather than exporting at like 14 by 14.
Yeah.
Although actually, I might do like 15 because they're all 1 pixel centered.
Okay, either or.
And that way I don't have to remember like, oh, am I positioning them like 1 to the right or something like that. I need buff and debuff.
I love doing evil shit. I love gradient textures so much. They're just so good. So if I want to render this on top of a player or an entity or something, ideally what we can specify is... What do I want to specify? Should it always be the same amount of space over something? Should it... Because I think it would be kind of annoying to have to specify on every single entity, like add a component that's like effect renderer, but maybe that's fine. Or I guess I could also do a thing where it's like, if it doesn't have one, just try to auto assign one so that we have something to fall back on. I think that's probably fine. So, what I think I will do is, given an effect visual, it will be up here, up like what, like was it by 4? This is right. 12. What is? I guess that would be 64. Is that? Yeah. No. 32. Sure. And then I can add a HBox container. Don't think about it. Don't say it. Don't think it. Don't say it. He thought it and he said it. He's getting hungry. He's thinking about that Yoshi.
What?
He's always thinking about that damn Yoshi.
No.
No, JW, no. Definitely not. Ah, shit. And you're gonna be annoying, right? Oh, I guess this would be a texture rect, so who fucking cares? And it's just a texture rect. I'm stupid.
I care.
Lol. I don't care if you care.
I don't even know what you're talking about, so it's fine.
Yeah. You said you're gonna export them as 15 by 15.
Mm-hmm. Unless it's like terrible and you want something else.
That's fine enough.
It sounds like it's terrible and you want something else.
That's fine. I think. Probably. Who knows? You know what? Never mind. Do whatever you want, GW.
Yeah,
it's terrible. Okay.
It's terrible.
It doesn't bother me that much. It's fine. I'm not even like that upset about it. I guess I'm not even upset about it, you know?
Yeah, you're upset about it.
You're mad.
Win.
I still remember whenever someone hopped into our stream and was like, do you two like fucking hate each other?
Yes.
Top 10 moments of all time.
Can confirm.
That is a lot of spacing, buddy. I need you to not do that. Ooh. Those are some big icons compared to the player, I feel like.
Yeah, they are a little large, but obviously you're not gonna have like a ton of them at once.
Hopefully, ideally. I guess we'll find out.
What I was thinking how it would work is they would stack like it's centered on the player and then expand like, so say you had let me put these down here.
Yeah, like what I'm doing here where
I should probably like look at your screen so that way I can see what you're doing, so I'm not just like
yeah
exactly like that. Yeah, the thing that you're doing right now.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
I'm so smart. Some game devs think alike or something. That's us. What if instead of Dante's 9 it was like Dante's like 6, 7 or something like that? That'd be kind of silly. Don't you think?
Dante 6, 7, 6, 7, Dante 6, 7.
Dante 6, 7.
Sorry for anyone who just tuned in with the stream, or I guess you're welcome.
Don't be sorry.
Probably. Target budget. Wait, how am I getting if effects? Effects is an array of this. Where the fuck are you getting this from? Where is it getting this from? What was it doing before? I'm gonna undo this until I get back to this. Oh, this. I see what's going on. We're good. I can do something like this, where I loop over everything, and then if prop and not effects dot adds prop, let's see, should updates false, otherwise should updates true, and then if should update, then oh, I guess I should also mark this as needing to be updated if an effect wasn't found inside of the thing. Like, how do I do that actually? There's not like a method in Godot that's like, this is like the same, right? Like to check if an array has the same values. Let me see. All in a search clear. I guess like I could do an all, but okay, erase, fill, filter, find. Yeah, I'm looking for things that have a boolean, but 6-7 meme is so great. You're so right.
So real. So real. So true, twin.
6-7 is like the same as Hawk Tuah. 6-7 itself isn't funny, but like saying 6-7 as like that is the joke. And being like, hi guys, I get it, look, it's so absurd. That's like the whole
I got a
whole point of
TikTok this morning on how to make a 6-7 craft with stickers in Counter-Strike. And now I kind of want to do it.
You sent a screenshot of that in one of the servers.
But I was telling everybody else.
Well, yeah, no, I was just saying, like, I saw that was me acknowledging that I saw that, and then I was gonna like be like, that's fucking sick.
It is kind of sick.
What were the stickers? Was it?
They were like the water ones from the armory. This guy doesn't know what I'm talking about.
Nope. You are correct.
Bro has a witch stickers, like he knows a single sticker in Counter-Strike.
I wonder, actually, I should just do this. Let's go to the player file real quick. And I'm gonna write some code to test something. Debug, or not hand activate 6. I'm gonna make an array.
Hand activate 6-7.
1, 2, 3. And then I'm gonna do a second array, which is 3, 1, 2.
Okay, I feel like I'm missing
I just
one
want
last.
to array 1.
I guess it's the buff.
Alright, let's see if that works. Sorry, what are you saying? What's up?
Do I want a sleep effect? Do I want to have deadlocked sleep effect?
I mean, we could, but maybe.
I mean, I feel like that could be cool, like something similar where it's like they can't attack or they don't do anything until you hit them again for a period.
Yeah.
I'm a fan of that.
And then whenever you hit them, it does extra damage. He's
Wait,
recreating sleep.
Does it do extra damage when you hit them?
No. In League of Legends, it does.
Oh, okay. That'd probably be better, actually. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Not to like say
so
League of Legends, but
yeah. Okay, so these are not seen as the same, even though they have the same elements. They're just not in the same order, which is a little annoying. I don't know how.
okay, so these are all. I think these are all pretty clear as to what they are.
Yeah.
feel like I'm missing something, but that's okay. You always add more later. I always love just like making art for things like this. Just makes it feel like it's an actual thing and not just like code.
Yeah, it's not just an idea.
Yeah. Even if it doesn't actually do anything. But the art's way better. We all know that the art is better than the programming.
Yeah, for sure.
And the artist is like way cooler than the programmer. Just kidding.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Like, so lame, you know?
Yeah, for sure, dude.
For sure.
What validation are you looking for right now with the words you're saying? Because I hear that there's like a... You're looking for validation. What do you want, man? What's the words that I need to say?
6, 7.
Ah, okay.
You're not gonna say it?
No, I didn't say I was gonna say it. I was just like curious
No.
what validation you were looking for.
You're so mean.
Because that just shows like it's like a tool to be used later, you know.
Tool. Alright, twin.
Pro tip for everyone,
bro,
by the way, if you want your
tool
friends to
script.
keep being friends with you, find out their insecurities and hold it over their heads. Don't do that.
6, 7. Alright,
6,
Mr.
7.
I don't know how to record a video, even though I have a YouTube channel.
That's true.
They all think you're dead, by the way.
That is kind of true as well. Not all of them, just like a decent bit of them. Okay, yeah, I think I just have to fucking go through this and... I can do something like 4x in array 1 if array2 dot has x valid false. Or I guess this would be true, and then if array2 doesn't have this,
it'd be really funny if there's like someone in the stream right now who's watching, think this is like a recording after you died, and then just like, wait, he's alive?
What a weird... Who the fuck? Yeah, they just looked at this and they're like, yeah, this must be a recording after his death. These streams are all pre-recorded.
There's gotta be at least
that date
one
in the...
person.
There's no way there's one person. What do you mean there's gotta be at least one person, as if that's something a regular person would think? Like a person with a sound mind would be like, yeah, dude. This has to be the case.
I mean, you never know.
I mean, I guess. Let's see. So if all of these... Oh, I guess I should do like current effects is an array of type effect.
I really want to make another icon just so it's like a nice 9x9 square of them. What's one more?
You should make an icon for turning an enemy into an ally for a period of time, so it's like charmed.
True.
Make it a little cat face or something, like a :3.
Oh wait, that's a great idea.
Thanks.
Charmed. So it'll be like a little cat face, like a little :3, you know.
Holy shit, why is that eye so wide? What the fuck? Oh, is that the mouth? I see. Or something. I don't know what's going on. Oh god.
Trust the process.
Let's see. If not effect dot or current effect. So if an effect that we currently have is not in this new effect array, yeah, then we should update. If we should update, then we will say effects is equal to current effects, and then we will run the display effects function, which does all of the shit that you need to do. So, for effect in effects, I just need to make this, I need to make something here, scene, which I guess would be this one, right? Yeah. Yeah. Where would this go, I wonder? Objects, mayhaps? Or components? Probably components or something like that. I don't just add like a UI folder in here, and we're gonna have 8 different UI folders all over the place, and that's okay.
Well, that's okay.
Status display. We'll do that. I think that makes enough sense. That's clear enough.
You know, for a game about the cat, I'm like still buns at drawing cats.
He's just saying that to try to beat the furry allegations, and I don't think it's gonna work.
Damn.
Hmm?
What?
What'd you say?
That I am bad at drawing cats.
I see.
I don't think that the colon turn off is going to work. It's a little too high resolution for that. Change the color as well. Give him the little. There, yeah, I think that works better. Overall, need some color tweaks.
Oh shit. I don't know why it's flashing on and off every frame, but that's kind of cool. What's going on with that? Okay, so that does print. Display effects is being run. Way too often. What the hell? Oh, I see what's going on here. the hell does this do, I wonder?
What the hell, Leon?
The hell? Oh, that does weird. Oh, that's weird. I don't like that. I take it back. It's...
I'm struggling. Okay, yeah, we're not making this iconic yet. I'm struggling.
What's up?
I'm failing. Don't worry about it.
I see.
Six, 7.
Six, 7.
Wait, you don't even own a cat? All my life was a lie. Yeah, I'm sorry.
I own a cat. I've always owned cats. I fucking love cats.
Yeah, Biddy owns the studio cat.
Oh no, Callie's the studio cat?
Yeah, unfortunately.
I don't think...
She is representative of our combined intelligence.
But I didn't discuss that with her yet.
Yeah, I don't care.
I'm afraid that she might get upset. I have to make sure that doesn't piss her off.
It's fine.
There are lots of things that do that.
Don't worry about it.
Namely, me. How do I want to do this? I guess I could do like...
Oh, we also need an icon for the P effect.
Brother. Yeah, that's true, I guess. That is true. That is, yep, that's something that we definitely need. You are correct.
Gotta recreate that Rigby gif in Dante's 9.
mean, if you want, you can.
I do think that would be funny if we somehow recreated that, but nah. I don't know how we do something like that with the 2D view. Maybe I'll commission the guy who did the capsule art to draw that.
Yeah, check this out.
Give me a second. What am I checking out?
Okay. So here's this icon thing that I set up for like testing, and I did shader stuff. So I have this variable which it controls how much of it's filled up. Right now you're not seeing it do anything because you can control it so it either dims or it grayscales it, or both at the same time. Cool.
I think that's kind of sick.
Yeah. Anyways.
It's very cool.
Thanks, Twin.
And then also for the enemy ones, we still need to decide completely if we want to do like the stacks or if we just want to have like one.
We can do both. Like we can have stacks and ones that just build up to an amount.
Yeah, but I'm just thinking like you'd have to display it like with a little number, kind of like we do with like the items, which I think would look nice.
We can do that. It's not bad. It's not hard to do.
Like a little number, like a 2. Like this.
Oh, with a really long tail. What the hell?
And I put it like it's like a good size. So just like go next to it.
Oh, you're putting it on the left side? I feel like the
right side. Okay.
Yeah, right I don't know. At least for me, I'm like right side feels right.
Yeah.
Although I don't know. Let us know in the comments down below.
You mean the chat? This is a stream. No. Twin.
Nope.
Live stream.
We're both on YouTube.
Oh, okay. Oh, we need to add the cheese effect too. In cheese.
Meet you. I mean, you can draw either the piss effect or the cheese effect. Is that 9th one that you want?
Maybe I should draw both, and then I'll have to come up with like more to fill it out.
2 more effects to fill it out. Let's not even like acknowledge the fact that you could change it into like a 2x5 instead of a 3x3. But yeah, that's true.
Yeah, but like I don't know how to do math, so. What was the effect that I actually wanted to? Oh, yes, charm. I guess I could just do like a heart. That's kind of lame, but like it works. Just kidding. I'm trying the cat again.
He's catting it.
Make it a little smaller this time.
Fuck, how do you do? Isn't there like a set instance? Set instance shader parameter. It's like a new thing, right? Kind of,
yeah. It's kind of new, I think, yeah.
Alright, what was that? Set scene instance load placeholder? Oh no, this is the wrong method. If set true, the node becomes an instance placeholder when packed and instantiated from packed scene. Ah, okay, I see. Yeah, this was the thing that Quibble made a video about.
Oh, I didn't see that.
I think you sent it to me? Maybe not. Maybe I just saw it a bunch of my recommended.
I would never send you a Quibble video.
That's true. JW hates supporting YouTubers.
Yeah, especially ones that don't upload.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
We hate YouTubers that don't upload anymore.
Oh, okay, now I have like a potential problem. Well, do I actually... This actually shouldn't be... This... Oh no, it totally is. Hmm. This is an instance of this, which is a potential problem. Well, no, that's not true. I could do a... something like this, and then... What this is gonna do? We're gonna find out together, though.
Okay. Very cool.
Oh, what is... You've got things in your chat that looks like a bunch of messages.
Hmm?
Is it?
No?
Oh, if the Vaporeon cat owns cats, it's all good. Otherwise, 10% of earnings will be donated to Cats Foundations.
Oh, that one I missed that. Oopsies.
Lol.
Really
His ass does
mean.
not read chat.
I don't
I hate
read
that seat is 6'7". I hate that it's 6'7" inside of the fucking train station.
Yeah, it's because you hate everything.
Oh.
'Cause you're lame.
Why is this not... Why are you not filling up, buddy? What the helly?
The heli, the heliante, with the heliberry.
Okay. Yeah. That might be true.
Helibrand.
Fill percent. Oh, because this doesn't... I don't need to do shader parameter fill percent. I just need to do fill percent, right? That... Nope. I'm wrong. Many such cases.
Many such cases.
Actually, that's not even true. It's just like some such cases. Why are we not parametering it shaderly?
No shader parameter.
Yeah. Like, this should be working, correct? Maybe I'm, like, wrong as fuck. Is this not, like... Set instance shader parameter. Sets the value of a shader uniform for this instance per instance uniform. So I would like to avoid using local to scene materials if possible. Oh, it's because I don't have you defined as an instance uniform. You're just a uniform instance uniform float. Thank you. Found it. Yay! Oh, I guess non. It's filled for one frame and it needs to not be. Man, I want to play Rivals of Aether 2 right now.
Well, that's too bad. You need to work on Dante 9.
Nope. It's not true.
You gotta do your homework first. Here we go, but he had this icon look a little dark, I feel like. Maybe.
It's a little dark, yeah, but it's pretty good. Just like swap the palette around. Dude, it's an orange cat.
Yeah.
Go fire.
I guess that works.
If you had the ability to choose, what kind of cat would you get?
I mean, I don't know literally every kind of cat, but maybe like a silly black cat.
Weird. I'm just kidding. That's not weird. That's basic as fuck.
They're pretty cool.
I wonder if I'm gonna take a quick detour right now and I'm gonna look something up. Cat adoption rate by color. I wonder if black cats are still like hella unadopted.
Orange cats are silly, but they're definitely like, that's like, I don't know, I don't want like an insane cat.
Oh shit. Okay, so this was actually published as of 2020. We're gonna read through this really quickly, and by read through it, I mean I'm going to scroll down and I'm gonna look for the results, and we're gonna find out. Oh, that's not. Most frequent outcome was that's not great. Table 1. Adoption. Oh my god, really? Yeah, so it looks like the adoption rate of black cats is about 10%. The next lowest is brown cats. I don't even know what the fuck a brown cat entails, I'll be real with you.
It's a cat that's brown. Like Poobert.
Like, I can't picture a brown cat. Poobert?
Poobert.
Poobert? Poobert cat.
It's the new Bert. There's an account that has
I like
Poobert,
hope you're not
Scoobert, and Doobert.
Oh, I'm assuming it's like this cat.
Yes, that's
and not
Poobert.
This one named Poobert.
No, that one's Poobert.
Okay, I see. Yeah, because I haven't really seen
I love Poobert.
a brown cat in person. That's interesting. And then after that is 13% gray, 13% orange, 18% white, and then 19% is just the other category. Yeah, black cats by percentage they're the highest number, but they're also like they're the highest number of adoptions, but they're also like by far the highest number of samples. So the amount of like the percentage wise is not amazing. That really sucks because I love black cats. I think that they are
They're very cool.
like great.
Like Dante.
I love the voids.
It's pretty cool, actually. That works.
Almost. I'm not a huge fan of there's like a lot of space above and below it. So whenever something is like once the icon actually gets fully filled, like it doesn't even start showing up until like around like, I don't know, this is like 15% full of the status effect.
Oh,
and
I
then
see, yeah.
here is like 85% full, so there's like this entire space up here where it's still filling and it doesn't seem like it is. So I might, and by might I mean I definitely am going to add some like parameter probably in this class that's like how many pixels on the.
Yeah, the
the
annoying
padding
thing
there
with
is.
that is just like they're all different. Like they're not all completely different, but they're like some of them are slightly different.
Yeah. That's okay. I can do something with this. I can just do like an expert bar, like texture margins.
Okay, well I'll export these for you. I can just push them up when I. Would you rather just have them in like a sprite sheet?
I don't care either way, I guess. I mean, whatever works for you.
I'll just do individually. I think it's annoying to export, but once you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. That's right, Benny PB said, black cats are traditionally lucky in the UK and especially Scotland. Because they're traditionally unlucky here, which is very unfortunate. Get the fuck out of here.
Best
Dude, it's
viewers.
jobless. The fucking username is jobless. Dude, checks out. Fuck. I'm not signed into my OBS, so I have to go to my fucking thing. I have to actually.
Quick, everybody click on the link.
No, don't. Wait, I can't see it in my. What? Oh, it's because you probably banned them on yours, so it deleted it from my chat. That's fine.
Oh, that's really funny.
I'll just copy the username and do /ban.
That's very funny.
Oh, cool. That didn't copy the username the way that I said, hey, can you copy this text? I cannot copy this text. What the fuck? There we go. Got it. Alright, cool. It's gone. It's dead. It's murdered.
Yeah, I'm pushing them up to win a T.
Gross.
I know.
Holy shit, my computer's being fried right now.
Is it?
Yeah. Okay, there we go. Thank fuck.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, you're right.
My fault.
My
fault, dude. I said my fault.
You gotta
it was
get
my
my
bad.
icons, twin.
Huh?
Collect my icons.
No. Gender man, leave me alone.
Status man.
Why is this... That's not red. That's not red at all. What the hell? Because of that. Oh, it's because of that. Lol. The shader's affecting it. That's fun. And cool. Whatever. Actually, what the hell? Why is... Okay, I'm actually like thinking about this a little bit more, which is unfortunate. Because now I've realized the problem with this, which is that each of these textures are going to be different sizes.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Yep.
Yep. Oh, I guess I know what I could do, actually. Oh, I'm evil. I'm going to go evil mode. I'm going evil mode. Good luck.
I'm scared.
Good luck, have fun. Good luck, have fun. Why is it...
I'm so scared.
Why are we upset? Oh. Oh, shit. I didn't know it was like that. Okay, you are no longer going to be an editor script. You're evil as fuck. And that's okay.
Oh yeah, one thing that Axel mentioned we could possibly do instead of having them above the player is also have them like by the health bar.
That's true.
Which is like what Risk of Rain does, because it's like they're not that important.
Yeah.
Actually no, I think what he said was when I asked where we should display the like the cards that apply effect over a time, is to have them over the health bar, which that one would definitely make sense. The main thing with the status effects for this is how they like charge up, so it's like, at least for those ones, it would make sense to have them like in the... We never figured out why there's a bite taken out of my hearts.
No. No clue.
It's so weird.
I have no clue what's going on with your bite.
Yeah. We're just gonna assume it's like a Windows issue or something. Always blame Windows, you know?
That is true. If you remind me after stream, whenever I swap over to Windows so I can play League of Legends, I'll see if I can recreate it on my Windows side.
Oh yeah, and the glass gun though explodes when you die, or when you get hit.
Whoa.
You know, it's so cool.
Whoa.
It's really messy how it's set up.
That actually is cool.
It's literally just like a separate scene. There's just a bunch of GIB objects lined up so that way they are in the same position as the gun. Because my GIB spawner system does not work super well for if you want things to spawn in an exact position. So it's a little sketchy, and I had to change some of the GIB object stuff so that way there's like exports so you can like set all the values, but it works. And these guys still, see, if you look, there are still crits, as you can see.
There's what? I was not looking.
Some of them are yellow.
Oh, I see. Yeah, definitely would want something going on with that. I was thinking like they would maybe like pop up as like larger text before.
Yeah, maybe like slightly larger.
Like an exclamation mark.
And then like play a different sound on the hit. I don't think they need to be that different because like they're not like they wouldn't be like extremely uncommon. And I don't want
but
it to
you
be,
want
like,
it to
annoying
feel good.
Obvious. Yeah.
I don't think it'll feel annoying. I think for the most part, whenever I get a crit in a game, like even if it's like a very common thing, it still feels good to have that kind of like feedback of like, holy shit, something cool's happening.
Yeah, and we could have some guns that just have like automatic crits, like maybe the op always triggers crits. Like it does like a slightly less damage, but it always does crits. So that way you could have like a gun that will always trigger like non-crit effects. I should play Slay the Spire too, so that way we can steal their item ideas and stuff from them. So I was watching Northern Lion play, and there's a lot of cool items.
Oh shit!
Like there's one that's like, if you beat 5 elites, this relic turns into like a super powerful relic, like super rare relic. Which is kind of cool.
Kiddo might be my goat, by the way.
Might.
Oh my god. Godot is my goat. I was gonna set up a thing that tries to... my evil mode was I was gonna look at the image and I was gonna say how far from the edge is the transparent area. I was gonna find the basically a rectangle that just surrounds the entire image of like completely blank, whatever. However, Godot literally has that built in. I can just grab the image from the texture, and then there's a function on it called get used rect, and it will just return it'll return the specific area of the texture that is not transparent. That's
very cool.
Fucking sick. That's actually so cool. That means I can say the margin is that. What does that do for me though? What does that do for me?
I'm just not realizing that I don't think I ever put your frame independent knockback code in.
Oh, okay. I was really surprised that it worked first try because I didn't get another message from you, so I was like,
I just like forgot about it.
Yeah, it's fine. It's not a huge
deal. I literally
deal.
copied it and then I just like forgot to paste it in, and then like
yeah. I need this to do... So given the margin from 3 to 16, I think I can use the remap function for this actually, because I can do from 0 to texture dot height. It's mapped now from margin dot y to margin dot size.y. Too few arguments. Oh yeah, you're so right, dude.
Very cool. There is no kickback now.
Yeah, that's why I was like, you probably would need to change some things.
Oh, also, was it the train? There's something weird going on in this room with the hit scan weapons, as you can see.
Is there anything up top?
Oh, no.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense enough. Yeah, it can maybe fix that.
Yeah.
It's because there's nothing that it's hitting, so it's defaulting to 0, 0.
I
There's probably errors
that
in the console right now, I'd imagine.
Nope.
No, okay, interesting.
Because I was wondering, because I was testing with the, I forgot to mention this, with the laser pointer. Yeah, and I was like, why is it doing this? I couldn't figure out, like, sometimes it goes up a little bit, and sometimes it doesn't do anything at all. And then, like, here it's fine. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Yeah, there's no...
Yeah.
I could even just, like, put a roof up there somewhere.
You could, or, I could also just change the code so that if it hits, like, that, Yeah. It's kind of just because I've assumed that it's going to be hitting things. Honestly, it's probably an issue, in, like, a regular level, if you were above the level.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Let's see. So does this work? Actually, I don't know why I closed the game. I think this works. I'm gonna probably change a little bit of that, but...
Up I go.
Look at him go. Wow, look at him go.
We did it.
Ooh, okay. Surprised it doesn't work.
But yeah, that's the...
Not you. Not you, my thing.
Oh, okay. I was like, yeah, of course it doesn't work. Stupid. Oh, this looks funny.
Yep.
Oh, and we still need accuracy and stuff on these guys. I keep forgetting about that. But that's like a you thing, because I don't understand how it works, unfortunately.
Ah, fuck. Okay, that doesn't work then. That's fine, I guess.
It's annoying how, like, some of these little things are, like, it doesn't seem that complicated, but it's, like, programming stuff that's, like, cleaning things up, which I just can't do.
Yeah, it's, like, edge cases and, like...
Yeah.
Right. But sorry, what was the thing that you said that we need to do that you just... What did you just say needs to happen?
What did I just say? Accuracy and bouncing on hit scan weapons.
Okay.
And I do think maybe they could use a little rework on how they work. Because the light line render thing is way overkill. As I said before, we could literally just do the thing that I did where it's literally just a sprite that stretches out.
I need to redesign, or I need to recode the laser pointer and op thing, just like the hit scan in general. It's old.
Yeah.
It's old. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. This doesn't do like anything annoying, right? Like I'm assuming this is just like a thing that you already know about. I think so. We'll just presume the answer is yeah. So this will now map to the what pixel on the y-axis this will be mapped to. Sure. And then I need this to go here to here. Kiddo, if you don't stop focusing that fuck-ass shader editor down there, I'm gonna get pissed. I'm making a different root node because it keeps focusing this fucking editor. Stop it. Evil ass Godot.
Bad kitty.
Probably a panel container will be fine.
Oh my. Hello, Foxy. How are you doing?
Hello.
Twinithy. Twinjamin. I can't think of more twin words.
That's okay. You don't need to. No one was asking you to. It's okay. It focused that fucking editor again. I turned that off.
Don't put me on the spot. I'm not. I just said hello, Twinithy.
Is everything okay? Interpreting a hello as a... Why is MIDI music player frozen? What the fuck? Why is it frozen?
Maybe I did say something. Maybe I said like
oh.
Give me your home address or something.
Okay, hold on. My program
see Spotify
crashed. Not a chance. Spotify doesn't have half the shit that I care about listening to.
What am I doing? Oh yeah, right. I was
Yeah. There we go.
I was trying to
Thank you for pointing it out.
I
have to run a server on my fucking thing in Python for it to get the images because the other thing was built for Windows, a specific Windows program.
So what number do I need to change in here to make this work?
The...
Is it decay ratio?
Hold on, let me think. Yes, decay ratio... Yes. If you make it smaller, that will be less decay over time. It will decay slower.
Okay, we'll try that, see.
Wait, no, hold up. I might be wrong. I'm wrong as fuck. Sorry. Can you look at the code again? Decay ratio is 0.1. Kickback ratio is time multiplied by 1 minus 0.1, which would be 0.9. Okay, yeah, never mind. So you would make it larger. So decay ratio is actually like how much of the kickback we will have every step, like at the end of it. I hope. I guess we'll find out. Okay, can you look back at the code?
Sounds alright.
Minus equals decay amount times delta. Can you do a console.print before that, preferably? You can just hit Alt and up to move a line up, but it's fine. You can like start over typing. And can you do just like decay amount, comma, kickback amount? Okay. Oh. Wait. Yeah. Turn it to 0.1. Actually, that might be fine. It might be that it's not decaying enough. Actually. Nope. What the hell? What? I can look really quickly. Screen shake. Or what is it called? Is it screen shake manager? Yeah. What is the kickback amount normally?
I don't know.
Oh, you also removed this part.
Oh, did I remove something accidentally?
Yeah, the current kickback equals current kickback dollar kickback amount.
Oh, well, I thought that was part of what needs to be.
No, this is the kickback amount is the target amount that it's going to be at, and so it doesn't just instantly change. It will move towards that amount every frame. So it's
Can
not
you
like
send me that old line then? Because I don't have it on here. Oh wait, do I? No.
It's just part of it was normally part of it, but sure.
Yeah, but I don't have that because I got rid of it. How am I supposed to get it?
Control Z until it comes back, copy it, and then Control Shift Z to bring it.
Yeah, I changed it like days ago. I've probably like opened and closed this multiple times.
Yeah, that's probably fine.
Also, shouldn't this be a different? This shouldn't be times delta, because that doesn't work. That's not how.
I don't know.
It doesn't just magically work. Okay, whatever. Yeah, it's definitely too low. So let's try the 0.9 again.
Yeah, that's slower.
That's slower. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. Doing like that whole like blurping stuff, is that 01 or is that 81? I can't read.
It's 01.
Okay.
Still very low. Doesn't seem to be making a big difference. I'm getting rid of this print because it's annoying me.
Okay.
But that's still very much less, a lot slower than it was before.
Yeah.
Do I have my frame rate?
Yeah, I don't know. It's probably fine to be frame rate independent, to be honest. Or it's probably fine to be frame rate dependent.
It's not, because then it'll go flying across your screen. If you are like have really low, like if your frames drop a bunch, you'll end up going like way off screen.
Do you promise, or are you just assuming that's what'll happen?
Yeah, it did that to me before when I was like shooting a bunch and the frame rate was dying. It's not like insane, but I just rather it be better. What do you mean it's fake strength? Is this? Oh, so this is separate. Okay, so.
Yeah, so shake strength is like the overall shake, and then specifically.
Oh, this doesn't have the delta thing or.
Yeah, so doing that would actually make it move slower. Delta scaling it. Max FPS equals 2. Okay, we're doing artificial lag now.
I have not artificial lag, I'm just lagging because I can.
What do you mean it like flies all over the screen?
It doesn't go flying, but it will push it like way back if you shoot enough. Let me say.
Yeah, I guess I see that it does go like a decent bit more back, but it's like fine-ish. Like, let me set this to 5 FPS and see what happens. Yeah, like that's not bad. I think it's fine.
I don't know. I feel like it was going farther for me, but I don't know.
Are you using the AK or?
What? I don't know what.
Were you?
What?
Like, what were you using? What weapon?
I think it was when I was using the glass gun, but that one it has the same like, not kickback as the AK. Just shoots a little slower.
Let's see. Yeah, I don't know.
I think I might have had a higher fire rate though. I don't remember.
Maybe.
Because I had some fire rates.
Because I'm like, it could also have been the default screen shake. Like that could have been the thing, but I'm not sure. Because I think it screen shakes and kicks back.
So, I don't know.
I don't either. That's okay.
Okay. I don't know why this isn't, like, making this smaller doesn't do, like, anything.
Oh, there's an S at the end of it, so...
Yeah, I think it's... Like, this is still the same speed. It's literally not doing anything.
Did you, is the other lerp still util get lerp speeded?
Yes.
It is, yeah. Can you change it back to just, like, a 0.3?
Okay. It doesn't make a difference. It's the same.
Let me look at the, So, decay ratio... Decay amount, so... The way that I wrote this was, the idea would be that it would go from a full kickback all the way down to 0 over delta. Like, if you gave it 0, then it would take 1 full second to go from full kickback to no amount left. Something that could be... I was gonna say better, but I don't know. What you could do is you could, inside of the class that you're in, go up to the variables defined inside the class and add like a kickback time or something like that. Should be fine. Instead of to like, I don't know how long you think it should reset back to normal, which might be like 0.1 or something like that. And if you scroll back down, do delta divided by kickback time.
Here?
Yep. And do a wrap that shit in a parenthesis. Also, it's you're gonna have to restart because it was added to the class. So it's gonna be like null until you restart the game.
Arr.
Or nil.
No. Same
Whatever.
thing.
Hmm?
Said it's the same thing.
It's not actually.
It literally is.
Nope. Null. A float can't be null in Godot, but nil just means that it hasn't been defined as part of the class yet. So nil means it's not defined at all in the object you're looking at. Null means that it isn't. It's defined but not present.
I guess that works.
Yeah. And then if you were to like.
Yeah, I just don't know what it is like compared to what it was before. I mean, ideally, I'd like to keep it similar.
Yeah. I mean, you can just play around with the numbers to get it to feel good. It doesn't need to be the exact same as it was before.
To be the exact same.
Can you also... You could also change the... Oh, no, actually, that's fine. I don't actually know if that updates... Can you change that to something like 2? Just to make sure we know if it does or doesn't. It definitely does not.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Is this a scene? Is Screen Shake Manager a scene, or is this a... Like, it's an auto load, right?
Probably.
I think we're doing... Yeah, but it's not like a scene. Okay, whatever. What was I doing? What am I doing? I'm doing this shit. I don't remember what I'm doing. It's fine. We're chilling. I'm chilling.
Yeah.
I'm so chilling. I'm so cool. I'm so chilling. Ah, shit. I'm not chilling anymore.
Wait, we got this on the Steam build, don't we? I can just play it on Steam.
That's true.
Compare it. I think it should be like 175. I'll do 1.6.
I fucking hate Ho Dojo. That's not true.
It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad.
It's like, I don't know why, but I feel trauma around that stage, even though I pick it relatively often now.
Why would you do that? Why would you willingly?
Because it's really good against certain characters that I'm really bad against. Because Mabel's also just really good on the stage because of like tech chasing and shit. She plays really well around platforms.
Holy nerd alert.
Yeah, pretty much. So I need this to... Let's see. Oh, JW, the people are wanting to know, are you ever going to play Donkey Kong Country?
What?
I mean, what? I don't understand the question. I don't understand the confusion. That's like the most simple question that's ever been asked.
Okay. I don't know.
There you have it, folks.
I love shooting
Okay,
the glass gun with billion energy drinks.
4 seconds is definitely too long for the fire, or for like fire burn, by the way. Maybe 2. Yeah, 2 feels way more correct.
If you like jump, do you like stay out of it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I like that.
It also drains twice as fast when you're not in it. Like it's
I see.
It builds up at a speed and then it drains at 2 times the speed, I think. Maybe not, actually. Maybe I'm telling fibs. Maybe I'm lying. Oh shit, he's dead. Whoa. Whoa. Sorry. Kinda.
Yeah, testing with the glass gun with a billion zoomies, it does seem to be frame rate independent, at least as far as I can tell. From my amazing testing of testing it at unlimited and 30 FPS.
Hooray!
See, no difference.
Why the fuck does it say Dante's 9 playtest up there?
Hmm?
I thought this was changed to be Dante's 9. Oh, no, that's fine. Never mind. Sorry.
Yeah.
We
do
I was
also
thinking about how the user folder used to say Dante's 9 rewrite or whatever, or remake, whatever it was called.
We do need to decide how we want to organize things once you get to like a demo and stuff like that, because it's like, do we want to have a separate like branch or something for that, or do we want to have just like exclude stuff from the main thing, like have a list of things to exclude? Once we get to like making a demo and things like that.
Like what? Like, do you mean like when you say separate branch? Do you mean Steam build branch? Do you mean Git branch?
Like Git, like when for us working on it, not like for people.
What would be? I guess like, what would be the reason that you would want like things to be different?
But just so it's separate. Like, I mean.
Yep.
Because obviously, when we go to export the demo, it'll be different from the actual game. And it'll have some additional stuff like things saying, "Oh, this is locked in the demo" and stuff like that.
Yeah, we can do that. Because we can do a Git branch that is just like the demo. And then whenever we develop things, we can do it on whatever branch. And then once those are set as finished, we can merge those over to the demo branch and then create a build off of that.
Yeah.
So that we have specific things.
You
if we were doing
have to manage
software
that
development,
I'm stupid and I don't know how that works.
Yeah. It's okay. If we were doing actual development, we'd probably be using like more branches. At work, anytime there's any task, like there is a ticket assigned to it, you make a branch with the ticket, which just makes it easy to track things across like a big team.
Yeah.
It's just you and I, so it's not like the hugest deal. Also with the demo, a couple things that we can do is whenever we export the project, and I actually did this for the most recent Steam build, is we can choose to include or exclude certain resources.
Yeah, that's nice.
Which is what I did on I excluded some of the add-ons because they didn't matter, and I also excluded all of the non-usable cards, and also all of the other levels. So like the information for the library and whatever.
Oh, very cool.
And some of the debug things, also the rooms for the other ones. So even though you couldn't load into the library, it also doesn't even include the other levels. So like data miners can see it. Not that we care too much, but
yeah.
I did include these, but those could be gone as well. So, like being able to include and exclude certain things there
that's good to
is
know.
like easy. We can also do feature list. So like if we had like a demo like feature list, what we can do is in here, I believe it's os.hasFeature. Yeah, we can do that. And so like if this is the demo, this would return as true. So that would only work on, demo builds and say like, display certain things.
Oh, I'm feeling
that way
that's like probably only do that for like unimportant things, because I'm feeling that it's probably not hard to just be like, this is not a demo, and tell it that it's not a demo.
Yeah. I mean, like if we want to have certain things that we want to only have present during the demo build, or
but we wouldn't want to be like
different.
If is demo, remove these items from the loot pool, then just leave them in the files.
I mean that's what the export settings are for. This is more for like displaying certain things. Like if we wanted to have I'm trying to think of like something that would be useful for that.
I mean, if you want to have like a intro screen or something. I mean, I know like with Raccoon, how they had with their demo, there was like a pop-up that would be like, this is the demo, feedback and things like that. And also, we should see if we can set up something where we can like track data for the demo.
Yeah.
That is one thing we should do.
Shouldn't be hard to do. Just how everything is set up. I mean, you saw how easy it was for me to add like save states to the game. So like that shit was not the hardest thing in the world. And they still
we could totally even just like save state whenever they finish a run or like lose a run, so that way we can see like what are the winning runs, what are the losing runs.
Yeah, because then that's where is debug save state, because like we could read that and be like, here's the things that they have. Like even all of this shit is just like the simple stuff. But yeah, also like could also include things like how many enemies have been killed, what enemy ended up dealing the most damage, like whenever they took damage, what damage sources was it from,
I would say like probably the important things are like most used cards, like most died to enemies or most damage taken enemies, things like that. I think things that would be relevant to balancing, so like most used cards, most used stickers, most like enemy damage, things like that. But I imagine that's not like hard. It's the main thing is just figuring out how do we send all of that to us. The actual like implementing of saving the data is not hard at all, I would imagine.
Maybe not. I'm curious now. I'm gonna go to the Skidoo Steam page.
Okay, I am gonna put you on screen. I'll be back in just a second.
Okay. There's that, but I wonder. Remote storage? I don't think we want that. We could do that, but user stats probably. User stats? I'm curious if leaderboard display type. Okay, that's definitely not what we want, because that sounds like that's more of a bit more than I would expect. Advertise game. Oh, I see. Maybe that would be, but I don't know. That feels wrong. Store stats. Stats and achievement data to the server. Let me check this really quickly. Steam playtest stats. I wonder. So I'm pulling up the Steamworks, this thing. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm going to pull up the Steamworks page, and I'm going to take a quick look. I will not be able to show this on my screen, unfortunately. But I'm going to take the world's quickest look at this. Oh, okay. That's an interesting one. I actually kind of fuck with that. So, yeah, reading this page and also looking at the Steamworks documentation, I cannot actually show this. Hello. I cannot show that on stream. However, I think what we can do, JW, welcome back, is there is a thing in Steam called stats that goes alongside achievements. And so you can set up stats of either being an int, a float, or an average rate. I don't know what the hell this is supposed to be, but oh, average points per hour. Okay, I see. So we can include certain things of like what types of like most played card or most killed enemy or something like that, probably. We may be able to do something different, but I believe this would be good because this allows us to read it without like, because I think with the Steam Cloud you can't like read from it. Like I can't say like, oh, show me the average player Steam Cloud file, because that's not something that we have access to, because that's like a local save kind of thing.
Yeah, okay. Can you go back to the stats? I'm just thinking like how easy it is to access it and like
very easy. I was looking on the Steamworks page, you can go in and say like, this is a stat, its type is one of these three. And then inside of Godot Steam, if you want to find that, you can do user stats, and there is a get stat float, get stat int, and there is a set stat float, set stat int. And I'm not sure if it's the best way to do it, but the world's quickest look at it tells me kinda. This is just
maybe
fine.
The only annoying thing there is like, how would we display like what their best card is?
Yeah.
Things like that.
So that would be something that we would set up here before the game exports, because you can do certain scripting things where you run like a script before export, where we just say like output a dictionary for us to reference later, which is the IDs of the cards and what they mean and how they're mapped to these cards in here. What? So if their most used card is card AK, and it would show their most used card is card 1 or card 0. And if it's knife, then it's like card like 9 or something like that. So it would be like the ID of the card from this folder.
I feel like
this would be
a little
generated on output.
Convoluted, but
I mean it is, but if there's a better solution, then I would love to do it.
Yeah.
And there may be, but just saying like the world's quickest state or the world's quickest like read through tells me that this would work. Is it the best? I don't know. We'll find out. Get global stats. Yeah, I don't know, because what they're good for. Statistics track fine-grained pieces of information such as play time, number of powers used. I mean, choose to use them simply for tracking internal game data, so that, for instance, you can create an achievement. Sure. Could also do, and that would maybe be annoying, but could have a stat for each of the cards, and then it's just like a number of like runs played with this card. Could also, and I know I would like to automate some of this stuff. I wouldn't like to have this in the actual game. I think it would only be cool for the demo, so that we could have this information for balancing reasons. Maybe we wouldn't want this in the actual game. We could also have some extra data that we send over a web server somewhere. That is like a user opt-in thing, or it's like, this is a demo. By playing this, you agree, blah, 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 whatever.
Yeah.
And it doesn't include any personal information, but it's like what card they used, and it just like sends that request, like their current stats to whatever. I don't know what the terms of service is on that, but there's definitely some more stuff we can do. But I think for like just simple stat stuff, this is probably fine.
I'm looking. There's definitely not like a lack of like analytics tools that you could use. It's just which one.
That's the word. Thank you.
Yeah.
Steam playtest analytics.
I mean, I would just look at like Godot, because I mean, I think with Steam, it looks like the stats is probably the limit. I don't know.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, that's Unity. I don't care. This is about Unity. This is very specific about Unity. Lol. Yeah, because I thought that like a demo could have certain things, but I guess not. But yeah, we'll look more into it, but the world's quickest thing tells me that yes, we're going to be able to. And it's not like it'll be the hardest setup, it's more of just which one do we end up using. Let me make sure that this works. I don't think it did. I think I fucked something up somewhere along the line. Which is like many such cases. Oh no, okay, that's fine. I think it's weird that it's showing that. Why does it go like that. That's weird. I feel like. Maybe not. Console. Print. Value. What? Why did you do that? Why did it... Oh, I see, kind of.
Here, I found this. This looks decent.
What's up?
But I'm looking, if you just look up like Google player analytics, like there's a bunch of things that if you want to look through and see. I think it would probably be better to use something that isn't just like the Steam stats, because that just seems very limited and seems like it'd be a lot of work to be like, oh, you have to map all the card IDs and then like trying to parse through it. If we have like, I mean, what, even like 100 or 200 players, which we're definitely gonna have more than that, trying to go through all of that data ourselves somehow, even if we had like, if we did make it like some automated thing, but then we'd have to make the automated thing to sort through all of the card ID things, and I think that would be a bit of a pain.
If you say so. I think it's fine, but yeah, I would be fine doing that because they're like quick scripts, but yeah, I'll take a look at the thing that you said.
Yes, but the less quick scripts that we need to make, the better. Because we already have a million quick scripts that we need to make for other things.
Nah, I don't think so.
Yeah, I'm killing you.
Let's see.
We're not using the Steam stats. That's what I'm saying. There you go.
Okay. Well, then,
unless these are absolute buns and they're terrible and awful.
Yeah. If we're using non-Steam stats things, then we will have to almost certainly show something in the game that's...
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, as I said, like what the Rackcoin thing did, it's just like just a pop-up. It just says, hey, we're collecting your data to balance the game.
Okay.
But I mean, this one, the one that I sent you even has like Steamworks integration as well, so you could combine that with the stats or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So like, it looks like it's
Wait,
pretty built out.
Integration? What the fuck?
Yeah.
I'm gonna use. Let me take a look at this again.
If you just go to their website and their like docs.
It's their website. Oh, I see. They have like a website outside this.
You know, it's evil.
Pricing. There is.
It is free if you have less than 10,000 players, which if we get more than that, then that's probably fine.
Okay, yeah, I see. They're kind of doing the same thing that we would be talking about anyways. It's just they're just setting it up as like for the Steam leaderboard system, the stats or whatever. Check this out, JW. So whenever I walk into this, I get a fire thing, and then it ticks down, and then I'm invulnerable. Hooray! And then I believe it works for enemies as well. Actually, let's find out. It won't be a dummy because dummy doesn't have the ability for that right now. Say this guy, which doesn't make much sense, but he should. Yeah, so he does take damage. He doesn't have a display on him, which is something I'll add. But he does take damage over time.
Is it exactly the same as how the player works?
It is not.
Okay, that's
I guess. Yes. Yeah, I guess you didn't notice, but because he
Yeah, it looked like
he
his was
runs
slightly
through.
faster.
Yeah, so he takes damage and he keeps burning after he gets out of the thing.
Oh,
and then
okay, yeah, I like that.
Because there's no visual for it, but it keeps ticking down and like lasts a little bit longer.
Yeah, that's exactly how I think it should work. So very good. I didn't realize we were been that far.
Yeah,
so very nice.
I have to figure out the display.
You're the goat.
Yeah, I know. Thank you. Oh shit! I didn't realize it was like that. Kind of cool.
Yeah, unfortunately it is.
Yeah. Effect visual. Thank you. That's what it's called. Target, util get target, and then I would like to do util.add shelf target as effect visual, which is not a class.
Up on Counter-Strike, Twin.
Okay.
Wait, really?
No, not a chance.
Oh.
I don't want to play Counter-Strike. I'm gonna hop on my Windows side so I can play Valorant. I don't
wait, you're kind of cooking there.
I don't want to do that.
We should play Counter-Strike sometime, you know, Twin.
At some point, maybe. Perhaps.
It's fun. We can all pretend that we're Northern Lion.
Hey everybody, Northern Lion
dream about
here.
opening
Welcome back.
cases.
Yeah, that's true. Might be the play.
Might be the play. Okay, I should probably work on some more art stuff or something, because if I try to touch the code, I will blow something up.
Oh shit, it crashed. Let's go. Trying to assign a non-object value to a variable of type effect property. What the fuck are you saying? I see, kind of.
I don't know how to come up with good ideas for items, like the, not like mechanically, but like theming for the items.
Oh yeah, no, I'm dead on that one.
Yeah.
I'm tapping out immediately.
Maybe I should just like copy paste the list of like items into the server and just be like, chat, what do I make these? Make them figure it out. That's a great idea.
Yep.
Maybe I do that.
Well, like, what item are you looking at right now?
I'm just looking at all of them, not any specifically. I'm just like,
give me one, toss one. Toss one
the enemies drop extra coins.
Is this a relic or a sticker?
A relic.
Hand of Midas, is that not something that we already did? Or did
We have
wanna do
that's a card currently.
It's like, oh, okay, I see.
There's a card
yeah.
that does that too.
Then Cult of Sacrifice.
Cult of Sacrifice.
I don't know. You can make like money bags. You can do like a thief's shiv or something like that. Like something that's like mugging related. 'Cause you like kind of steal coins from them.
Ski mask.
That's kind of funny. Or like oh my god, wait. Business license.
Business license.
Make the game a little bit
It's kinda
anti-capitalist or
weird.
something.
Weird.
Yeah, business license. Has a chance to... We could make the description say something like, has a chance to... And then have the word steal crossed out, and then, like, gain more money from enemies.
Yeah. Kind of funny. Kinda silly.
What'd you say?
I said kinda silly.
Yeah.
Six, 7. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I don't, actually.
Oh.
Yeah. Sorry.
8, 9.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's good. Higher chance for loot to drop at the end of rooms. I guess it'll be chests, or I would say chests or keys.
Chests or keys, or...
Because there's other...
more
Actually,
money
no, I would
items.
do chests.
And
Because there's other ones that have... I guess it could just be all of them, but there are other ones that I have in here that are also like each individual
oh,
one.
like more
So
specific.
yeah, like a much higher chance for health, much higher chance for shields, and much higher chance for keys.
I see.
You know what I'm saying, twin?
Nope.
Yeah. We should ask Grok.
Yeah, you would say that.
No,
wouldn't you?
no, I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't.
You would say
Nah,
that
I would
because
never
you're
say
a
that.
dirty AI user.
Nope, this is not true.
This is true. JW is actually a notorious AI lover.
This
He
is not
loves
true.
AI.
This is fake.
This isn't fake. What do you mean?
We're blowing you up.
3 Jupiter stickers on Biddy now.
What?
Type that is instance has. Ooh, I don't remember if this is what I want. It might be. Anyone remember?
Nope.
Okay. I need to learn a little bit more about like the actual deep side of the type system in Godot. 'Cause some of it's really, really cool, and some of it's not. But it's very, very expandable, so it's kind of like meh. Like it's
Yeah.
cool. Yeah.
It's like,
Ye-
meh.
ye- 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 yeah. This might crash. That'd be kind of cool. Okay, great news. It doesn't crash. However, terrible news. It's not doing anything.
What?
I guess that's not terrible news, but like... is an instance of this script. I see. That's not what I want. I wish that it wouldn't do that. Really? Instance has doesn't... What? Base object is an object. Can I not see like a script thing that's like, yo, does this extend from this script?
You know anything about this since some of the weapons like aren't like guns? I can't just be like fire bullets or something like that. For the items, it has to be like something kind of generic or like not entirely relevant.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Not like not relevant, but like it has to be more abstract, which is probably good because then I have to do something, make something actually interesting and not just like fire bullets.
Kind of. I mean, it's not like the most like unheard of thing to have something that affects a character's attacks that wouldn't normally apply to their weapon. Like if you think about like Tesla bullets in Deadlock applies to like Silver's like swipes whenever she's in wolf form. Like that still applies there, even though it's not a bullet.
Yeah.
So like it doesn't have to be completely matching like that. Like we can do certain things that are like this type of bullet or like coated blade or like, you know, something like that. Like obviously maybe we probably want to have more like fun things, because whenever I think about like the relics that are interesting, I'll tell you right now one that I don't find particularly interesting, which is just ammo box. I think that one's like that is what it does. It is like an ammo box, but it's not like a fun item design, which is fine.
Yeah, we don't like. I mean, you have to have boring items to have fun items. If every item is fun, then none of them are fun.
That's not entirely true, but yeah.
Yeah.
I think you can have all items are fun.
Yeah.
But it's much harder to do. So why is this not... Get rid of this. It's gonna be printing out hella shit in the console, but that's fine. Oh, I don't have IntelliSense from here. Get me out of here. I guess actually, never mind. I don't. There's nothing that comes off of variants, right? No. If val is object, val dot type. Nope. Script. Yeah. Dot.
I'm still alive. Yay! That's good to hear. Welcome back, Salaluja.
That's basically it. Yeah, that's exactly. Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. It's Alleluia.
Yeah, that's it. Oh wait, higher chance for loot to drop at the end of rooms. That could be the lucky cat. I forgot I had that. Cause I think I drew that, but I don't think it never got used. How's Dante doing? Dante is doing very well.
Dante is doing great.
Yeah. Do I have any other relics that I drew but we don't have a thing for? I think so. There's the Godot plushies, but I don't know what they do. I'll figure that out.
I thought that was the one where like you would have like little dudes fighting for you.
Yeah.
Something like that. I don't know what the plan for that one was entirely.
Yeah, I think it was like when you kill enemies, there's a chance for them to turn into a little plushie that will run around for you. That was the idea. When... one funny item that Nasuda, were you there the other night? Nasuda's playing Slay the Spire 2, and he got a funny item where it was like, kind of there was like a sketchy guy that gave him like a fake version of another relic, so it was like the same thing, like but just like slightly worse, yeah.
Yeah.
Which is really funny.
The anchor plushie.
Yeah. Like, that's a good way to add variety, is just like something that's the same thing but just different stats, but has some sort of like thematic reason why, or things like that. I'm a big fan of that. You can make the increased drop rate things be like books, so it's like a first aid handbook or something, and you get increased health on rank completion. I kind of like that idea.
Can I do this, or is Godot gonna get really upset with me? Godot is really upset with me. Local parameter cannot be used as a type. That's so fucking unfortunate. I think this is worth doing some evil shit for, honestly, which is a little unfortunate, but whatever. So if val is object, I would like to do val dot get script as gd script. Our script is this script dot paste script. I want to say eventually this should return null, I think. Let's try this for I and 10. Script is equal to script dot get base script console not print script dot global name. If or not script return. Not return, sorry. Continue. No, not continue. Break. Ugh. What does that do? Let's find out. Okay. That... I'm seeing a whole lot of print statements in here. Not a whole lot of... Oh, I guess I would do this, right? What are the chances I added new line parsing to my console? The answer is I didn't. I mean, I kind of did. Not really. Okay, yeah, so it does eventually hit null, so I could just do while script. I can do while script is something, or script does not equal component type. Eventually this should return out. Let's see. So if script ever becomes null, this fails the check, which exits out. And if the script ever equals component type, it should fail out. Yes? Yeah, something like that. Daylight savings time has ruined you. Dude, oh fuck, when are we daylight savings timing? Actually,
yes,
when is that?
That was last night.
Oh, real? Wait, is it? Did we? Wait, does that mean we got less sleep?
Yes, less.
Really? So like 10 this morning would have been 9 yesterday? Is that what that means?
No.
Or would it have been 11, I think? I don't.
The other way around, yeah.
What daylight savings happened? Let's see. So... Okay, yeah, so... like 10 a.m. this morning is the same as 9 a.m. yesterday, which means that if you have to wake up earlier or something, I don't know.
Yeah, something like that, sure.
Whatever the case, that makes me extra happy today because I woke up way earlier than I expected, and that was really cool. And I was still late to stream.
Uh, 6, 7.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna go through all these and we're gonna figure out what they all are. So what's immune to fire? Chat.
I'm the wrong kind of autism, I think.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking chat.
Because I had an answer immediately, and it's such a bad answer. Take a guess of what the answer was.
I don't know. Fire.
It's like immune to fire, right? Oh wait, where's the? Wait a minute. Where's the?
Jerry can help me with ideas. Jerry, what should the item that makes you immune to fire be?
Here is the my immediate
I'm so scared.
thought was an old scrapped beta weapon from Team Fortress 2 that made the spy resistant to fire.
Yeah, you really do got the wrong kind of autism.
Yeah.
I gotta sign locker
Yeah.
68 while you're 1 off. I'm sorry.
Damn. It's so good for you. I'm so happy that that's not locker 69 or 67.
6-7.
That's the one.
Pyromaniac from Isaac. No, I'm not asking like what items are similar to it. I'm asking like what should it be called, or like what the
fun design would be
Yeah.
from us. So we need a fun design that's unique so that everyone doesn't immediately go, holy shit, they're copying Blah. And then their favorite game.
Exactly. Just like a fire extinguisher or something. We should also, if you don't already, have a tag on items on whether they can be stacked or not. So that way because obviously there's some items that won't do much if they stack.
Like
the immune to fire.
Oh, like relics, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Unless we wanted to make it that like maybe it just takes longer for you to catch on fire.
I don't know. It would also matter because usually I think immune to fire wouldn't be the only thing that it does. Like it could also, I think it would probably also be like and you deal extra fire.
I mean, I have another one that also is fire bullet or fire damage on bullets and fire resist. So like we can have both. Like.
Okay. Yeah. I think relics don't have a. Yeah, they don't have that. However, I could definitely see if we did something like that, then I would probably do like a max level.
Maybe
so that we can set the amount of like levels that it's able to go up to.
I feel like that I don't know if that'd really be necessary. I feel like it would just be a does it stack
or
not, but that
works.
It works.
I'm also thinking about other relics that could also want to have like a maximum level that you could have it up to. I don't know how many we want, but like I don't know, like if there's a certain relic that just like absolutely demolishes the game if you get like more than like 5 of them. Like not in terms of like balance, but in terms of like it just goes crazy. Like I don't know, like lightning jar or something like that could have like a limit to it so it doesn't like infinitely chain forever.
I mean, I feel like if you get to that point, that's like fine. That's your fault. Like we shouldn't limit the player because it might break the game. I think because like I mean, for example, like in Gungeon when I got that item combo that crashed my game, like that was like a wow, that was so cool. It was such a good combo that it broke the game, rather than being like, oh, I just can't get the combo because they hard coded it so that way it doesn't have any chance of breaking. You know. Still trying to think of what's anti-fire in real life. I don't know. Just like start setting things on fire and see what doesn't burn.
Yeah, fire extinguisher, rocks, stones.
When are you going to use the actual icon and not your placeholder one?
Did you send me the actual icon?
Yeah, they're pushed up. They're there.
They're pushed up. That's not sending me the actual icon. That's pushing it up.
They're literally in a nice folder in the
Okay. No, it's fine, dude. It's fine. It's whatever.
Yeah. Go with fire extinguisher for right now. Alright, next. Chance to drop shields on room completion. Fire extinguisher. Did I spell this right first try?
I can't read it, so
I think I did. That's a first.
Yeah, you did.
That is genuinely a first.
Chance like Morrowind, that game lets people do some really stupid stuff. I'm a big fan of Dwarf Fortress personally.
Alright, bro.
I actually want to play through Morrowind at some point. I do really like that kind of game. I'm also a huge fan of like old school roguelikes that have that break the everything kind of mentality. Did this import the changes that I just pulled? Whatever. I'm sure it did. What are they called? Where'd you put them?
They're in UI status effects. Another thing I did notice after going through a lot of items on the Gungeon wiki, there are so many Gungeon items that are just references to other things.
Yeah.
Like it's a
I mean,
little
same thing
insane.
with like Eugenics and also
Yeah. Which is like one reason that's
Slay...
to big lots
Oh,
of
the Slay the
references.
Spire one as well. The Slay the Spire 2, sorry, not Slay the Spire 1.
Yeah.
They have references to other games as well. Also, were you there last night whenever there was the reference to the Junji Ito story in Slay the Spire 2?
In Slay the Spire? There's one there too.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that.
Yeah, the reference to the fucking this is my whole story.
Bro,
there was
they
a
stole that
reference
from
in Slay the Spire
Eugenics.
2. And I was like, holy shit, man. I want you to know, I have not seen that story since I first read it like a decade ago.
It's really
And
funny.
now all of a sudden in the last month there have been 2 references
Now we have to have a
in
reference
2
to
separate
it.
games. It's actually crazy. And I saw it and I was like, dude, holy shit.
We need
It's
to
so
add
good.
that. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess we gotta, yeah.
Yeah, we kind of do. Yeah, we do.
Oh, okay, I guess we gotta fire effects or effect underscore fire. Because I'm trying to name them in JW's naming scheme. Yeah. Icon
Yeah.
fire. Tung. Excuse me. That spell that launches you into orbit. Skyrim has that too. Skyrim has it as a giant. You walk up to a giant and they always launch you into orbit. Hey, why is this not using the correct texture? I'm just curious. Oh, oopsies. Wait, no, not oopsies. Oh no, okay, oopsies. Texture, direct.texture equals texture. Yay! Fire icon.
Whoa. How does it look? Does it look? Oh, nice.
Could have a little bit more contrast. It kind of...
I think it could also, like the background part could be a little bit brighter.
Which
It's
is
kinda hard
like
to see.
the...
Like the dim part up the bar.
Yeah, I think I can... Let me go in there and do that. I think this is how we should do things from now on, actually. Oh my god. Okay, JW, I'm gonna show you something that is like game changing.
Mm-hmm.
So you know how normally for shaders we have to do like local to scene for the materials? Yes? No?
Yeah, I said yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, sorry, I didn't hear it because I think I was still talking. So the reason for that is because we have these uniforms. Uniform just by default means like between all of the instances of it. But if you do an instance uniform, and inside of the script you do set instance shader parameter with the name of the parameter, it will change it specifically for that instance, which means that if you have something that you want to apply globally, you don't have to like find the material in the tree. You can just change it and it will change it here.
Oh, that's cool. I think don't think it should be desaturated. I don't like that.
Like at all?
Yeah. Around there.
Get out of fire. Are you happy with where that is now?
Yeah,
or...
that looks fine.
Okay. Because it could also be like...
I just said it's fine. It's fine.
I'm just telling you that you have options. There are options.
Yeah, and I told you that's fine, and then you're like, but
Okay.
but you could do this.
Yeah, I'm just saying, like, don't, you know. Could also make it it's very smooth, and I don't
What's very smooth, like the bar or
like the yeah. the actual like amount that it's filling up. If I set this to a low time scale and then zoom in, you'll see that it like fills up more than like it fills up, I guess, a pixel, but like an actual pixel and not like a pixel on the texture. I don't know if you want it to snap to.
No, that's fine. It should not snap to, because there's like 5 pixels on there, so that's gonna be really hard to read. It looks fine like that.
Okay.
And then if you stay standing in it, will it reapply it? Yeah, okay.
Yeah. And then for enemies as well, I believe enemies should have it now. We'll find out if it crashes. It might. Oh, hey, look at that. See, so he doesn't have it in his scene, so it automatically gives him one.
There should probably just be like a straight icon that just like sits, but it doesn't have the bar that fills up.
Oh, okay. You don't want theirs to have
no, it should just have like a... It would just be like the icon, and then if they have any stacks on them, it would have the little number.
I see. Yeah, let me do that. Then that should be easy.
Yeah.
Show...
Well, I could make the fire damage on your items and stuff. And poison damage and things like that. I could make an Elden Ring reference and have like fire grease.
Oh, unfortunate.
Poison grease.
Poison grease. Greasing it poisonly. Sorry, I see that there's a couple messages in chat that I'll read in just a moment.
JK47 is peak gun design. This is true. I am getting a little tired though, so I may end stream soon. I also need to eat something. I haven't eaten since breakfast. Actually, I did just have a granola bar, but I'm still hungry.
Damn.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy.
Just hungry as fuck.
Yeah.
Just got the greed, the gluttony.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
In Morrowind, you can make stronger potions if your character has high intelligence. You can also make intelligence potions. You can keep constantly making the better and better intelligence potions. Make a potion that gives you 1,000,000 HP for several in-game years. That shit's great. I really do love games that kind of just give you a bunch of systems and say, go fucker, have fun with it. Those are like kind of my favorite. Yeah, so there we go, JW. So the enemies' fire is like that.
The fire should definitely last longer on them, but it should deal less damage.
Yeah. Yeah, it's based on how long they stand in the fire builds up, but I can make it so it just gives them an amount while they're in the fire. Yeah.
I mean, I think the fire should probably just give them like a single stack, and then like if the player hits them for more, it'll do more.
Yeah.
So like if they keep sitting in the fire, it won't build up like 20 stacks. It'll just like have one, and then the player can add more. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Well, yeah, we can figure that out.
Yeah.
Let me see. The actual one on the ground is unfortunately also called Fire Effect.gd. I would like to change some of this, but area is hitbox components.
There's going to be more than one cat in the game. Yeah, there'll be like skins that you can get, but not like.
Are they gonna be functional?
Lore-wise, what do you mean functional?
Like, will certain cats have certain effects, or will they be just cosmetic?
They'd be just cosmetic. If we do have effects, it'll be like decks. I don't like games that lock like gameplay behind like skins like that. Like, I want to play as the silly cat and not have to like, oh, I hate how this cat plays, but I like how they look. I mean, that's probably just like artist, but.
I see. That's a problem. I mean, not a problem, but it's like kind of a problem. It's fine. I think. Probably. So I do this. And then static. Static init. Max. I'll leave this for. Are you gonna be pissed at me? Shouldn't be. Maybe that works.
Maybe that works.
Your thick tabby would not do well in this game. My cat would do unbelievably well in this game. Aside from things like the shopkeeper or anything, like, she just wants to, like, she hates everything. I feel like she would be able to make it through Dante's 9 just fueled by pure rage and nothing else. What's up?
The fact that it just disappeared right as he walked into it.
Yeah. Yeah, I think he's only getting fire for an amount of time that's not very long, which is fine. I think this might work. So he should guaranteed take like 4 ticks of fire. Okay, well he died. So that's cool. I mean, like, I guess he did when I asked him, but like if I spawn fire, he should take at least 4 ticks of damage, I think.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yay! Look at that, dude.
As I said, I think it
And
should
now
deal
just take-
a lot less damage. It just deals it over like a long period of time.
Yeah. That's fine. It's just not defined to do that currently, but yeah, we can do that. I also have this set up, I'm fairly certain. Before I say this, I should actually make sure. Yes, this is a wrong one. Fire effect. Yes, this is a scene that's attached to the actual object, which means that this could do something like have particles that are present. You already know what it is. You already know who it is. It's fucking gradient texture coming out the woodworks. My goat. If nobody else got me, I know for a damn fact that gradient texture got me.
6-7.
Oh, really?
My bad.
True. This is true. So it could have particles that are present while the effect goes off. Currently, it makes no distinction between the player and the enemy in terms of like the visuals, but I can do that.
It would also be cool if there's some way to like make them red.
What do you mean? Oh, like make the creature red or whatever?
Yeah, like tint them red.
Yeah, can do that.
Like how Genshin does it.
Yeah, I think that's doable as fuck.
It doesn't look too bad though. Good start.
Yeah. Why is it not? Why is it still on the player? Why is he not taking damage? Something's wrong. Oh, why did it get rid of the script that was attached to this? What? Oh, because I changed the type. I see. Fire effects.gd, which is under this one. And I do need to clean up a few of these files because of a few different attempts that were made to make something happen.
Many such cases.
You can see he takes damage. And then they all clear at the end, but it's fine. You can make it not do that. And then they also apply on the player, which they probably shouldn't. They definitely shouldn't. Or at least if they do, they should be like less noticeable than for the enemy. But yeah, there you go. That works. Yay! 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 And then we can do certain things like enemy damage amount, and have this be an export variable. So instead of it being a hard-coded thing, this is a export variable. And then do something like that, so this can be changed as needed. You know, it does 100 damage every time they get burned, or it's this. And then like enemy question. Let's say you actually, I'll ask this question later, never mind. I really need to use the bathroom, and you said you wanted it in stream, so.
Oh, okay. You can ask later then.
Yeah, it's fine. It's like, it's the most simple like design thing. I just needed to know what export variables to do, but yeah.
Okay.
You said you wanted it in stream, I'm assuming, yes?
Yes.
Still
Get me out of here. Sorry.
Oh,
Jeff.
okay. He
My
hates
bad.
everyone. All right. Well,
Yeah.
thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for stopping by. We will be streaming again on Tuesday at 6:30 p.m. EST. So right now, plus about an hour. And we will catch you then.